Hey guys, it's Zoe, and with Miles.
Hi.
And today we have the AuCuTee white noise sound machine. I love white noise machines because they help me sleep so much, because when I was a baby, I had one, but I've stopped using them, but I love them so much.
I just use a certain...
Okay, so we gotta open that.
Yes.
Obviously, you open it.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay, so this AuCuTee white noise, the AuCuTee capital C-U-T-E-E.
Oh, check this out.
Is a new sound machine. So when it comes to it says, "Dear customers, we love to know more about your experience as a AuCuTee customer and how we can improve. Please follow our social media and share your thoughts with us. A special coupon code will be offered for your next purchase. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Best, your AuCuTee team." For Facebook, you can follow them at AuCuTee Official, Twitter at AuCuTee Official, and Instagram at AuCuTee Official. So, social media is AuCuTee Official. So, when you open the box, it comes with this band thing, which we'll have to read the instructions. Can you hand me the instructions or something? Thank you. So the instructions say...
Okay. Thanks, Mom.
So... Product instructions. So, looks like one timer for 30 minutes, speed 1, input 5. Okay. So there are numbers.
Okay.
If Miles, can you show them the thing? They're numbers. So number 1 is a timer for 30 minutes. Number 2 is no timer. Number 3 is a timer for 30 minutes. Number 4 is speed 1. Number 5 is shut off. 6, speed 2. Input is, number 7 is input for 5V/1A. 8 is input 5V.
How do you sleep with that? That's scary.
It makes me sleepy.
I'm scared.
Oh my God. Number 8 is input for 5V/1A. And 9 is wind speed control. So here, you read this. I want to play with the buttons.
Here, I need to read this. I'm confused.
So, ooh, it like makes noise. So cool. So I don't know where the numbers were, because it said. Did you see? You see the numbers right there, right? Oh, you gotta spin it. Right.
Wait. It needs to be like right there.
So it said.
Hold on. Shh.
I just turned it off. You gotta
No.
press it.
Shh.
I hear it.
It's not off. That's off.
Oh.
So this is speed 1. This is speed 2.
Oh.
Okay, the O is off. Okay, there's USB. Did it come with a USB key?
No, it did not.
Okay. Does it smell?
No, it smells like new
Air.
house, new car smell.
So is this a timer?
Okay, I get it.
So it says, okay, it shows you right here. Number 1, that's number 1. That's number 2, 3, 4,
Timer,
5,
I
6,
have-
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I get it.
9 modes.
So this is louder and
Yeah,
quieter.
that's quieter.
I could sleep with this probably.
I could sleep with that.
No,
Yeah.
this.
I like it because it sounds
we
like
had-
wind.
I thought we had a USB that we received for something to review, but
I don't know. What is
speed.
this?
Okay, 1 is timer. Okay, so this is 1. That's 30 minutes. 2, no timer.
I know what
3,
it is.
60 minutes. 4, speed
No.
1.
Let me see it.
Speed 1.
No, it's
5 is
not what it
off.
Let me see it.
6 is speed 2. 7, input. This is 7. This is
I know what
input.
it
This
is.
is 8.
What
This
is
is
it?
input.
It's like one of those cable protectors. I've unwrapped an entire one once. So I know how this works, I believe.
It's an interesting white noise sound.
I've never heard of that, Miles. I don't think. What is this, Mom, that it comes with? Miles said it's a cable protector.
It holds the cables so that when you want to put it away, it's like a zip tie, but it's no zip tie.
Oh.
Okay, so that's
First one, you put it right on here, see?
not bad. What did we call
I
it? The
love-
AuCuTee.
AuCuTee. It's like
There we go.
cutie. A cutie.
White noise. You
Kitty.
guys.
Oh look, it's a face.
So they
Here are the eyes.
they both wouldn't
and this
sleep
is
as
the
babies.
mouth.
They had to have their white noise. I love white noise machine makers.
I love it. Makes
It's
me
so
sleepy.
This one's different than what I'm used to,
It's so cute.
but it's definitely
It's
really
perfect.
distracting.
It's perfect because it changes.
It's calming.
sound.
Anything. I can't focus on anything with this thing on.
It sounds like wind. Can I have it?
All right, now they both want it. So
But you already
My
said-
baby!
we're gonna have to flip a coin to see who gets it.
What? No.
Thank you for
I have
sending
bad
us the
coin luck.
sample.
No, you
Thank
don't.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for
Bye.
watching.
Thank you.
Oh, you can
We're-
get this on Amazon.
Ah.
I thought, isn't there